Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of technology with our countdown of the top 4 best 4K mirror dash cams for 2024. These innovative devices not only enhance your driving experience, but also provide critical safety features and stunning video quality. Whether you are looking for advanced night vision, easy installation, or intuitive controls, we have got you covered. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 4. ACCEO 4K Rearview Mirror Dash Cam. The ACCEO 4K Rearview Mirror Dash Cam is not just an ordinary dash camera. It is equipped with a range of advanced features designed to provide you with superior video quality and enhanced safety while driving. At the heart of this device is a Sony 415 image sensor that delivers ultra-high-definition video resolution at a staggering 3840 by 2160 pixels. This means that every detail is captured in stunning clarity, whether it is bright sunlight or low-light conditions. One of the standout features is the 12-inch touchscreen display. This large interface makes it incredibly convenient to operate the camera. You can easily switch between different views, including front view, rear view, and a split view that displays both simultaneously. Simply swipe your finger left or right to switch views effortlessly. This feature allows you to maintain full awareness of your surroundings, ensuring a safer driving experience. The ACCEO 4K Dash Cam is also equipped with advanced streaming media technology. This technology widens your rear view angle 3 times compared to traditional mirrors, providing a clearer and more comprehensive view of the road behind you, regardless of weather conditions such as rain, fog, or snow. The dual camera functionality allows for simultaneous recording from the front and rear, with a wide-angle view of 170 degrees in the front camera and 140 degrees in the optional rear view camera. Another impressive feature is the real-time display for reverse parking. The camera automatically switches to give you a closer backup image when parking, helping you see any vehicles or objects behind you clearly. Additionally, the ACCEO Dash Cam comes with a time-lapse video function. When you enable this feature, you can record for an extended period, maximizing your data storage. Number 3. Wolfbox G930 Dual-Lens Mirror Camera. The Wolfbox G930 offers an impressive 4,000-pixel ultra-high-definition video quality, allowing you to witness the world in stunning detail. Every moment of your journey is recorded with unparalleled clarity and vibrancy. Equipped with wide dynamic range technology, the G930 captures images with balance. This feature ensures that you receive clear and balanced footage even in challenging lighting conditions, providing you with a complete visual record of your surroundings. Stay connected and informed with the built-in global positioning system functionality. The G930 allows you to track your location and route accurately. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can stream live footage directly to your smartphone, ensuring you are always aware of your vehicle's environment. Safety is paramount, and the G930 has you covered. Its built-in G sensor detects sudden impacts and automatically locks the footage before and after the event. Customize your view effortlessly with the adjustable camera angle. This feature lets you fine-tune your field of vision, ensuring that you capture exactly what matters most during your drive. Another fantastic feature of the Wolfbox G930 is its time-lapse recording capability. This function condenses long periods of footage into shorter sequences, making it perfect for monitoring your vehicle while parked or capturing scenic drives without taking up too much storage space. Built with a supercapacitor, the G930 operates reliably in extreme temperatures ranging from -15 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. This durability ensures that it remains a reliable companion for all your journeys, regardless of the weather. Number 2. 70mm S500 Voice-Controlled Dash Cam. The 70mm S500 features a 9.35-inch full laminated touchscreen. This large display provides an expansive field of view with no blind spots. The screen's pristine quality is enhanced by dust, preventing full lamination craftsmanship, ensuring clear visibility. Transitioning from physical buttons to touchscreen operations makes interaction smarter and more intuitive. You can swipe left or right to adjust the screen's brightness and swipe up or down to reposition the image in the frame. Additionally, this dash cam supports switching between left and right-hand drive modes to align with your driving habits. Experience stunning 3,000-pixel image quality with the Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor. This technology enhances safety, security, and convenience by providing exceptional image quality even in low-light conditions. The dual-channel high dynamic range recording allows for uninterrupted footage. The latest files automatically replace the earliest ones, ensuring continuous recording without storage concerns. Emergency recording videos and parking surveillance videos are saved separately, ensuring they are not overwritten. Dive into a true streaming experience with flexible display options, including split-screen views and picture-in-picture display. You can seamlessly switch between front and rear cameras, providing a comprehensive view of your surroundings. When you shift into reverse, the dash cam automatically marks parking assist lines to simplify parking maneuvers. You can even tailor these lines to fit your specific vehicle type, ensuring parking ease without worries. Engage with intuitive voice control, allowing you to command the dash cam hands-free. Just say phrases like, "Take photo," "Lock the video," or "Show rear camera" to capture images and secure recordings without lifting a finger. In parking mode, the built-in G sensor triggers a 30-second surveillance video when a collision is detected. This feature allows you to understand the scene of the incident, adding another layer of security. Number 1. Wolfbox G900-4K Rearview Dash Cam. The Wolfbox G900 is designed for unmatched durability in any climate. Equipped with cutting-edge supercapacitor technology, this dash cam thrives in temperatures ranging from a scorching 70 degrees Celsius to a frigid -15 degrees Celsius. Whether you are cruising through the blazing desert or navigating icy terrains, this device remains steadfast, ensuring that your memories and critical footage are always recorded. See what is behind you with exceptional clarity, thanks to the 2.5 thousand resolution-wide dynamic range rear camera. This feature provides a panoramic view of your surroundings, even in challenging lighting conditions. Witness the world in ultra-sharp resolution with the G900's front camera, powered by Sony Starvis sensor technology. This allows you to capture crisp, vibrant footage in 4,000 resolution, making it perfect for recording license plates, road signs, and every detail that matters. Track your location, speed, and route effortlessly with the built-in global positioning system. The G900 logs all your movements, allowing you to monitor and analyze your driving patterns with ease. The G sensor protects your footage against accidental deletion. Upon detecting a sudden impact, the G sensor automatically locks the current video file, ensuring that critical evidence is preserved in case of an accident. Capture the essence of time with the time-lapse recording feature. Whether you are parked or on a long journey, this function saves hours of footage into minutes, making it ideal for creating stunning videos of your travels. Navigate the darkness with confidence. The G900's advanced night vision capabilities ensure that your recordings remain clear and detailed, even in low-light environments. The Wolfbox G900 4K Rearview Dash Cam is an outstanding choice for those looking to enhance their driving experience. With its superior image quality, advanced features, and durable design, this dash cam is perfect for capturing every moment on the road. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top 4 best 4K mirror dash cams for 2024. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do you have a favorite dash cam, or did we miss one? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews and updates. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.